much. May God bless you. Wamatangi Foundation, thank you so much. Rekia jugaga riokaruma gavana gamutora Kirinyaga akejagirwo kou ni ngoma wamataginewa newa guys. Tuna directors ya mae na nikuonete. There was one director here, Thika Water. We still have others here present. I would request them, hata kama sio wimbo, maybe you can come over, one of them can say something. All the directors, water companies in Kiambu, also they had our governor, Ipo governor, directors. If you like to say something, one of you can say something. Karibu sana. Thank you. And for your information, Your Excellency, before I came to Kiambu, this was my boss, Madam Jane. Yes, we worked with her for 2 years in Kikuyu Water, and she's doing very well, together with the other directors. Thank you. There's another mic. Yeah, sorry. Kindly. Sorry.
Asifiwe. Bwana asifiwe. Bwana asifiwe. Your Excellency, Governor, tumefika hapa madirectors wote tukija kuomboleza pamoja na wewe. Umekuwa rafiki wa karibu sana, kwa hivyo wakati uko katika shida lazima tukuletee faraja. Tunasimama sisi wote, kampuni zote za maji, na ile jukumu ulitupatia ya kwamba watu wapate maji. Hiyo kazi tunaifanya kabisa, tunaifanya kwa bidii, na tunakushukuru kwa vile umekuwa kwa msaada mkubwa. Pesa kutoka Central Government, mahali zinakwama unatukamulia. Umetupatia pia ruhusa ya kufanya kazi vizuri, kwa hivyo hatutakulet down. Watu wa Kiambu watapata maji. Nimesikia watu wakisema ati sijui nani hana maji. Sisi wote tuko hapa. Amri ambao tumepatiwa ni governor, maji tupatiane vilivyo na tupatiane maji safi. Bwana asifiwe sana. Governor, tuko na bahasha yetu sisi wote kama makampuni ya maji, ili tuweze kukuletea faraja zetu kwa mali kama vile tumeingia hapa kwa hali. Na Mungu awabariki sana.
Thank you so much. If we follow that route, it will be very good. And this time I would like to call ward admin and sub-county administrators prayer waweze kuja tafadhali. Ward admins. Na tuitikaniria ati tui haha ni todo wa mashaka ya mawa sister Winnie Penina Nyambura. Koguo ona haraka igitukoragwo nacio mahinda mangi tugacinyihanyihia tondu rĩngĩ toima tugacinyihanyihia, si ndio? Thank you. Tugacinyihanyihia nigetha tukahota gwĩka maũndũ mothe na mũtaratara ũrĩa wagĩrĩire. Thank you.
His Excellency the Governor, Kiambu County, on behalf of the sub-county and ward admins, tumekuja kusema pole. Mungu akufariji pamoja na familia na upokee pole zetu. We have a song. Kindly.
Please proceed.
What a friend. What a friend. Cha kutumaini sida ila damu yake Yesu, sina wema wa kutosha, dhambi zangu kuziosha. Cha kutumaini sina ila damu yake Yesu, sina wema wa kutosha, dhambi zangu kuziosha. Kwake Yesu nasimama, niye mwamba ni salama, niye mwamba ni salama, niye mwamba ni salama. Kwake Yesu nasimama, niye mwamba ni salama, niye sina hofu mbele zake, kwake Yesu nasimama. Niye mwamba ni salama, niye mwamba ni salama, niye mwamba ni salama. Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you. Those are serious men and women of God working for the county of Kiambu. Nataka kuita ECD centers teachers, wale walimu ambao ni wa ECD centers wako hapa. They are also under the county. Governor, you have a big team of people working under you, and that is quite a blessing from God. If they are ready, they can come over. If they are not ready, then I can call Githurai municipality just to be ready. Also, we are finalizing with our priests here. Tafadhali, the mic, we need the mic. Na tujaribu kuharakisha kidogo. Kindly. We also have former MCAs of the county assembly. They are here with us. Wako na tukimalizia bado tunaenda kwa MCAs wetu. They have not presented their song. I'll give back to our majority leader to read us there. And then from there, the acting county secretary will also maybe very brief just to say something.
Our governor, His Excellency, and the love of our lives, because that is what you are with ECDE. We came because we feel you, and we know it is human where you are. Kogo toketa gukomereria na gukwera, even as we are ECD teachers, sub-county directors at ECD level, we value you and we know that you value the family too, and we are here to tell you that it is well. It is well with your soul, and the work that you do for Kiambu County is the one that has made, even at that busy schedule, we say that you are still unstoppable. Your scorecard is still high, even at sorrow time. Thank you so much.
We're gonna sing. Bwana u sehemu yangu, rafiki yangu wewe, katika safari yangu tatembea na wewe, pamoja na wewe, pamoja na wewe, katika safari yangu tatembea na wewe, mahali hapa sikutaka ili niheshimiwe, na yani kutema shaka sawa sawa na wewe, pamoja na wewe, pamoja na wewe, katika safari yangu twatembea na wewe, niongoze safarini, mbele unichukue, mlangoni mwa mbinguni niingie na wewe, pamoja na wewe, pamoja na wewe, katika safari yangu twatembea
God bless you. Mwathani amurathime muno. Very quick. Fire department. Tuna fire department tugiona mundu umwe tu oige kigo kimwe tu on behalf of the team kindly. Fire department. Is it Kahura or someone? If he's not there, we proceed. Wako wapi? Yes, gentlemen. Kwa hia ni nywe mukaga gutuhoreria. Ni mutiuke. Mwaki marahoririe na hau haitu ndiramatambura. Tuwapigieni makofi wakikuja. Thank you so much. Patie mic tafadhali. Na kiama chairman nigumuonete guku nake haririe. Ndeto cio ima mukarone inyuĩ mucokagia. Atiguo? Please proceed.
Bwana asifiwe. Naitwa Samuel Kahura. Mimi ndiye nasimamia kikosi cha wazima moto hapa Kiambu County. Na sisi kama wazima moto pia tumeleta rambirambi zetu kwa His Excellency kwa kupoteza a loved one, sister yake. Tunakuombea nyinyi na familia yenu. Mungu awapatie nguvu na wapatie peace. Na sisi kama wazima moto tuko pamoja. Sisi kama wazima moto ndio huwa tunarespond wakati kuna majanga. Watu kumekuwa na moto, watu wameanguka kwa mashimo, watu wamedrown kwa maji na zingine mingi. Sisi ndio tuna respond. Huwa tunashukuru His Excellency kwa sababu huwa ametufacilitate na equipment, na magari, na training na kila kitu. Hivi kwamba hata tukienda kurespond kusaidia wananchi wetu tuko well facilitated. Sisi kama wazima moto tungeomba hivi. Tunasema fire kills but you can prevent it. Na prevention is better than cure. Na sisi wakati tunaenda kuzima moto tungetaka sana kuja haraka vile tunaweza. Mkituita in time tutakuja in time. Mkichelewa kutuita bado tutachelewa. Na kwa sababu ningewaomba unikubalie tu pia niwapatie namba wazima moto.
Chukueni hiyo namba haraka.
Ndio moto ikitokea mnaweza tuita haraka, tufike haraka.
Chukueni hiyo namba.
Ndio msiseme ya kwamba tulichelewa.
Wapatie.
Na labda nyinyi ndio mlichelewa. Wekeni 067 2222 085.
067
2222 085. Wacha pia niwapatie yangu 0724 75 75 07. Moto ikitokea majanga lolote, sema wewe ni nani, uko wapi, ni nini, ilikuwa saa ngapi, ndio tusipote. Asanteni sana.
Hiyo ya nyuma mnapiga saa ile hakuna moto. Kukiwa na moto ni hiyo ya mbele, kama hakuna moto hiyo ya nyuma. Chairman kurekia tuthiete tureketie.
Ngai nĩ mwega na hĩndĩ ciothe. Ithuĩ tondũ nĩ mũĩ tũtiũĩ kũina mũno, ithuĩ tũtingĩhota kũina nĩ ũguo mũgũkĩte na atumia. Ithuĩ wĩra witũ nĩ gũcunga na kũnyitĩrĩra harĩa hagĩrĩire. Ũkai athuri, tumĩte Kiambu, njĩtagwo Shamte Mũnyua, ndĩ mũgaciko wa mbarĩ ya Thang'a, ndĩ wa rika rĩa Mwangi, na nĩ niĩ tũnyitagĩrĩra gavana ta athuri a kĩama gũkũ Kiambu. Tutinoka yingĩ tondũ tumĩte o kũndũ o guothe. Nĩ njũĩ mũtikamwĩkĩre ngaĩ guoko. Ageithio nĩ mũndũ ũmwe nĩ hega.
Haya.
Ithuĩ
na ihenya rĩa athuri nĩ kwengea.
Ihenya rĩa athuri nĩ kwengea. Ithuĩ tũgũkĩte o kũruta rambirambi citũ na kuga gavana witũ ndũtigĩtwo. Maitũ nĩ gũthiĩ athiagĩte na tugaga Gĩkũyũ ithuĩ tũtiendete gĩkuũ. Na rĩrĩa kwĩna gĩkuũ tũkaga kwĩra ũrĩa watigwo nĩwe njamba ya mũciĩ. Rĩu we wĩ njamba ya mũciĩ nĩwe watigara. Na ndĩmwĩre ithuothe tũgũkĩte kumagaria mũtumia ũyũ, no mathiko maitũ githĩ matikĩrĩ thutha witũ. Koguo mundu ugukite aririkane hameno no yume guko ithie ki. Koguo twiyumiririe governor speaker witu ndirona atongoria aria makoragwo kuo manyitiriire governor majority na munyinyi na uria wa andu aingi. Thengio ni kumunyitirira no he undu nguga tondu ithuĩ wĩra witũ nĩ gũka kũnyitirĩra governor. Governor okorwo wokire hau ũrĩ ndũkahũragwo, ũmenye no ũinũkire, njamba nĩ kũhũrwo ĩhũragwo na nĩ tũkuonete. Koguo nĩ wĩyũmie na kĩrĩma gĩtigũthiĩ kũndũ tondũ ithuothe tũhoyaga Gĩkũyũ gĩtũre gĩ kĩmwe, no korwo nĩ tũgũkĩeheria tweterere mĩaka ĩno ĩngĩ 5 nĩguo, tondũ njĩragwo nĩ athuri aya atĩ ũthiaga kahora wĩhithĩire na maranjĩra atĩ 2032 he ũndũ marona. Koguo nĩ gĩkehera weka atĩa na ndũkamakage tondũ Ngai enawe. Nĩ gũgĩtũmĩtwo nĩ andũ arĩa tũkoragwo nao na makauga nao nĩ mekwenda. Athuri matikoragwo wĩra nĩ kũritaya maritayaga na maritaya rĩu ndĩramoragia tũgwĩka atĩa. Ndĩrakĩmera ona kĩbungo gĩtiregagwo, nĩ tũkire na maũndũ maitũ no nĩ manjĩrire ngũmĩrĩrie kaũndũ kamwe na ngĩkũmĩrĩria andũ aya mathikĩrĩrie. Inyuĩ mũtigatuĩke andũ a maheni. Ithuĩ tũtithiaga gũikia kura tũgaikia mĩaka 5 nĩguo tugaga. Mũndũ ũngĩ ũkaga gũthumbũra mĩaka 5 angĩhenia Ngai no oragwo nĩ Ngai. To Ngai angĩũka kũũrie kĩrĩko kĩanyu nake kĩahanaga atĩa. Mũthuri ũyũ na thirikari ĩyo ĩngĩ mũmahe mĩaka yao yarĩka, tũkahoya Ngai tũthiĩ tũkameke atĩa. No Kiambu na githĩ tũtirakĩona ũrĩa kũhuana. Ona kũu kũngĩ no kwega, gũti atĩ nĩ gũthũkĩte mũno. Nĩ kura tũigage kura wega, ithe hatirĩ harĩa tũigaga na tũteithio nĩ governor. Mũndũ ũrenda mũtumia mwĩraga atĩrĩrĩ, ndenda mwĩragĩra ona igũrũ no gwakĩagĩra ciana ciokarĩ ithe ndũgũgĩikara ũrĩa gũgagĩikara. Rĩu kwoguo rĩ twambe governor bara ithondekwo, ona thirikari nene nĩ ndĩraikũiguire redio-inĩ ũrauga acio matwaragĩra mũnene mũhahi na njuku ciambe ithirathi. Ithuĩ tũkaga tũtihotaga kũina no nĩ tũheanaga oho.
Athuri thai,
mũrathime na mwĩke wega na mwĩyũmĩrĩrie.
athuri thai, thai rĩngĩ, thai rĩa gatatũ, tũrurumĩrie. Ĩni. Haya nĩ hega hau. Former MCAs nĩ ngũmĩhoya, former MCAs nĩ ngũmĩhoya na no tũrĩthũngũtha gũkũ no tũrĩthũngũtha. Ndegũra mwena ũyũ ngona Nũngari, ndegũra mwena ũyũ ũngĩ ngona Samindo. Samindo. Former MCAs matongoretio nĩ Arahũka tafadhali. Yes, easier.